Hey everyone, it's Stacy in South Texas. I am enjoying this gorgeous, glorious day this afternoon. We had, 4 straight days of rain, almost 4 inches of rain in those 4 days. That's a lot for us down here. But I wanted to come on here to say, it's holiday shopping time. And how many of you are going to be shopping Cyber Monday or Black Friday? And you're going to be doing it all on your computer? Have you ever thought about small businesses? I've got some great gift ideas for everybody. I have gifts for him and gifts for her. Come check out my site and see what we can help you out with on your holiday gift buying needs today. And hope to see you all soon down here in sunny South Texas. Have a great day.